Reaching for your mouse over and over wastes hours every week. These 8 keyboard shortcuts make you noticeably faster. Start with the lifesavers. Control-Z undoes your last action almost anywhere, and Control-Y or Control-Shift-Z redoes it. Made a mistake? It's already fixed. Copy and paste with Control-C and Control-V, and cut with Control-X. And here's the pro move. Control-Shift-V pastes as plain text, without any messy formatting coming along for the ride. Control-A selects everything at once, whether that's all the text in a document or every file in a folder. It's the fastest way to grab it all before you copy, move, or delete. Stop skimming for a word. Control-F opens a search box on almost any page or document and jumps you straight to what you're looking for. Hold Alt and Tap-Tab to flip between your open apps instantly. On a Mac, that's Command-Tab. No more hunting along the taskbar for the window you need. In any browser, Control-T opens a fresh tab and Control-W closes the current one. And remember, Control-Shift-T brings back a tab you closed by accident. Need a screenshot? On Windows, press the Windows key plus Shift plus S to snip any part of the screen. On a Mac, it's Command-Shift-4. Drag a box and it's copied and ready. And the most important one of all, Control-S saves your work. Command-S on a Mac. Get in the habit of tapping it often, and you'll never lose an hour of work to a crash again. Pick 2 of these and use them today until they're second nature. Follow Nabka Tech for more simple tech tricks.